everyone, welcome on BEP Drawing Easy for Kids. We are going to draw Peppa Pig and her birthday cake. At first, I draw her nose. And I draw the shape of her head. I draw her eyes. I draw her smiling. I draw her ears. And then I draw her dress. I draw her legs. I draw her arms. I draw a table. I draw candles. I draw Peppa Pig birthday cake.
Special day with a big birthday cake. Hip hip hooray! Candles shining bright. What a lovely sight. Happy birthday, Peppa, all day and night.
Pink. Light pink.
Make a wish, close your eyes, blow the candles, reach the skies. Friends all cheering, 1, 2, 3. Peppa Pig is special, can't you see? Mommy Pig made sandwiches, Daddy Pig made tea. George and all the friends dancing with glee. Musical chairs past the fossil.
Black.
So many
Yellow.
games, so
Green.
much to do.
Red.
Peppa
Blue.
Pig, Peppa Pig,
Dark
it's
pink.
your special day.
Mint
With a
green.
big birthday cake. Hip hip hooray! Candles shining bright.
Yellow.
What a lovely sight. Happy
Pink.
birthday, Peppa, all day and night. Pin the tail on the donkey. Let's all try. See who gets closest.
Orange.
Fly. And that dog's a
Yellow.
It's a big piñata
Blue.
filled with candy. Let's hit it harder. Peppa and her friends swinging with might. Candy rains down. What a delightful sight. Candy rains down. What a delightful sight. Peppa Pig, it's your special day with a big birthday cake.
Green.
Hip hip hooray! Candles shining bright. What a lovely sight. Happy birthday, Peppa, all day and night. Super fun.
Thank you for watching.
Peppa